Number 1. 1973 Cadillac Eldorado, $20,500, Tucson, Arizona. This front-wheel drive luxury coupe represents peak 70s American excess, powered by a massive V8 engine and known for its smooth ride and bold styling. This example stands out with strong mechanical condition, recent maintenance including brakes, bearings, fuel system, and tires, and fully functional electronics. The interior is well preserved but needs front seat upholstery work, while the air conditioning system requires updating. At this price point, it is an excellent entry-level classic luxury cruiser with strong driving capability and high comfort potential. Number 2. 1988 Nissan 300ZX, $1,800, Torrance, California. A true 80s Japanese sports car icon, the 300ZX delivers balanced performance and sharp styling. This manual transmission example is positioned as a project, with limited details provided, but its affordability makes it appealing for enthusiasts familiar with restoring Z-cars. With its strong aftermarket support and collectible status rising, this could become a rewarding long-term build. Number 3. 1987 Mitsubishi Starion Turbo, $2,000, Los Angeles, California. The Starion Turbo is a highly underrated performance coupe from the turbocharged era. This rear-wheel drive 5-speed example has suffered engine overheating and will require towing and mechanical repair. However, its relatively low mileage and rarity make it a compelling restoration candidate. Once sorted, these cars are known for impressive turbo performance and distinctive wide-body styling. Number 4. 1987 Pontiac Fiero GT Fastback, $2,000, Littleton, Colorado. A mid-engine American sports car with unique engineering, the Fiero GT Fastback offers engaging driving dynamics and striking design. This 5-speed V6 example includes desirable features like air conditioning, power windows, and a sunroof. With a clean title and complete configuration, it presents a strong foundation for restoration or light refurbishment, especially given the growing appreciation for well-preserved Fieros. Number 5. 1973 Datsun 240Z, $2,200, Des Moines, Washington. One of the most iconic Japanese sports cars ever built, the 240Z is highly collectible. This example has been modified with a later 280Z engine and 5-speed transmission, enhancing performance potential. While it has been off the road for over 2 decades and requires fuel system work and rust attention, it retains strong fundamentals, including a solid body and desirable aftermarket upgrades. A serious project, but with excellent upside for enthusiasts. Number 6. 1972 Plymouth Barracuda, $19,500, Riverside, California. A true muscle car legend, the Barracuda is always in demand. This California car features a solid rust-free body and good structural integrity, making it a valuable project platform. Equipped with a 318 V8 and automatic transmission, it currently does not run and will require restoration work. However, its clean title, straight body, and included upgrades like wheels and tires make it a worthwhile investment in the classic Mopar market. Number 7. 1972 Ford Pinto GT V8 Swap, $4,200, Helena, Montana. This Pinto has been transformed with a V8 engine swap from a 1992 Ford F-150, significantly boosting performance beyond its original economy car roots. It includes desirable upgrades like front disc brakes and an 8-inch rear end. However, it remains an unfinished project requiring installation of key components such as radiator, distributor, and brake lines. For someone seeking a unique hot rod build, this offers a solid and rust-free starting point. Number 8. 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88, $5,000, Hillside, Illinois. A classic full-size American sedan, the Delta 88 is known for comfort and durability. This example is described as running and driving great with a new transmission, making it a reliable highway cruiser. Its like-new condition suggests strong overall care, and with its V8 power and smooth ride, it is an excellent affordable classic for those seeking a comfortable vintage driving experience. Number 9. 1949 Lincoln Cosmopolitan Coupe, $6,750, Walnut Creek, California. A post-war luxury icon, the Lincoln Cosmopolitan features a large flathead V8 and classic styling. This project car is not currently running due to fuel system issues, but has a non-seized engine and documented past restoration work. With mostly complete components, original features, and historical charm, it represents a solid restoration candidate for collectors interested in late 40s American luxury automobiles. Number 10. 1950 Ford Custom Coupe, $8,000, Scottsdale, Arizona. This shoebox Ford is a staple of early 50s American design, powered by a flathead V8 and manual transmission. The car has sentimental history and has been partially revived, but currently does not start. Retaining its original 6-volt system, it will require mechanical troubleshooting. Its solid foundation and iconic styling make it a great candidate for restoration or traditional hot rod customization. Number 11. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu 2-door, $19,000, Menifee, California. A true survivor, this one family-owned Chevelle is an excellent example of an unmodified late 60s American classic, featuring its original inline-6 engine, automatic transmission, and factory equipment. It emphasizes originality over performance. With documented history, original paint, and low mileage, it offers strong collector appeal. This is an ideal choice for buyers who value authenticity and long-term appreciation potential.